Met, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, with the consent of other side, my Lord. Item number 6 and 7. In this matter, the senior counsel is appearing, my Lord, but due to some personal difficulty today, next week or after vacation, my Lord.
2014 matter, sir.
14, 6 and 7. Against seizure, my Lord, they are also supposed to file some certain documents, my Lord. Otherwise, it was hard so many times, my Lord. Can it be on next week or if you are next Thursday?
What is they supposed to file?
Regarding my Lord seizure, whether they have followed procedure or not, so some on the last occasion, some direction was given to them.
My senior was appearing in this matter, B. Gogoi, my lord.
Next Thursday, Your Lordship, or after vacation?
After vacation, my lord, can
After vacation.
On the prayer of Mr. A. Goyal, learned counsel to petitioner, list this matter 6 and 7.
6 and 7. Connected.
List this matter after interpretation. Mr. Since the matter is pending since 2014, I have no further adjournments.
My lord. Deep.
Hello, Blue.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 10, my lord.
10.
I am for the petitioner, I am informed the counsel for the respondent. For some personal difficulty, I could not prepare this, my lord, yesterday. If Your Lordship takes up any day after vacation as per Your Lordship.
What is the matter?
But this matter relates to promotion, my lord. Promotion of to the post of Assistant Divisional Manager of LIC.
There is a letter judgment of the Supreme Court.
My lord.
There is a letter judgment of Supreme Court. No promotion, retrospective. After retirement. You have retired.
I have retired in the meanwhile, my lord, when the matter was pending.
So
The matter was filed before the retirement. Lordship, I'll address this, my lord. Your Lordship will give me some time, my lord. I could not prepare yesterday, my lord. So,
have you
some
gone
personal-
through the judgment?
my lord.
Latest
I'll
recent judgment.
go through that, my lord.
This court also granted so many retrospective, promotion even after retirement.
I'm not
Recently, Supreme Court has vindicated.
not even notional benefits. I'll try to
Go
do
find out that.
I'll try to. Any day after
On the
vacation.
prayer of Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks.
After
Mr.
vacation, any day.
4 weeks, yeah. Since the matter is pending since 2016, no further adjournments have been done.
My lord. Grateful, my lord. Hello.
May I please, Your Lordship? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19 of the list, Lordship. In this matter, Lordship, arguing counsel Mr. H.K. Das is appeared, Lordship. He is out of station today, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly fix this matter on 21st.
What is the matter?
Lordship, matters pertaining to promotion, Lordship.
You are interpreting the rule according to your choice. Huh? We'll see. We'll decide.
Lordship, he is out of station today, Lordship.
Who?
H.K. Das, Lordship, arguing counsel.
Anyway, on the ground of Mr. H.K. Das, learned arguing counsel is out of his station, Mr.
M.K. Sharma, Lordship.
N.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, press that matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks,
Lordship, may kindly fix this matter on 21st of January, Lordship.
3 weeks, 4 weeks. List accordingly.
Lordship. Deeply okay.
May it please, Your Lordships. I beg to mention item number 8, my lord. I have taken the consent of the other side, Lordships. I have some difficulty today, Lordships.
Why 2014 matter?
Lordships, I would have argued, Lordships, some difficulty today, my lord. Lordships will fix any date, my lord.
What is
I'll
the
argue
matter?
this. Lordships, it is about, Lordships, noise pollution. Lordships, I am, my neighbors are causing noise pollution to me, Lordships. Therefore, Lordships,
File a PA.
Lordships,
File a public interest
no,
litigation.
no, Lordships, the public, Lordships, I am their neighbor, my lord. So, Lordships, I have filed this writ petition, Lordships.
Right to clean environment.
Lordships.
Only affecting you.
Other people also, my lord. There are many petitioners, my lord.
How many? 7.
Lordships.
Only 8 petitioners.
Yes, Lordships.
Pollution, they selectively.
Lordships, noise pollution is affecting me, my lord. No, not to the surrounding area, my lord.
You'll
Specifically
decide.
affecting.
What is there? We'll decide.
Lordships, I have some difficulty today, my lord. I would have argued, Lordships. I have to go out of station, my lord. I'll just leave in some time. Some accommodation today, my lord. I would have, Lordships will
On the prayer of Mr.
PK Garodia, my lord.
P.K. Garodia, Land Council for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned as a last chance. Just after 4 weeks. 3 weeks.
We got 3.
May His Lordship, with due consent from the other side, I beg to mention item 14. My Lord, here the conducting counsel H. Besbora, he has been engaged, appointed as a legal consultant in the Education Department. Here I need 2 weeks time to get instruction from the client. I pray for the adjournment.
He has been appointed as
Legal consultant in the Education Department, so he's not more practicing. I need instruction from the client.
Okay. MS
Tiwapangla, on behalf of H. Besbora.
Land Council. Appearing on behalf of Mr.
H. Besbora.
H. Besbarwa. Submits that. The Mr. H. Besbarwa, Land Council, who has been appearing for petitioner, has been appointed as
Legal consultant in the Education Department.
appointed in some department, appointed as legal counsel in some other department. In some department, which is he may not be able to appear in this matter. He may not be able to appear in this matter anymore. Therefore, matter may be adjourned. Therefore, praise for adjournment of the matter to obtain instruction. Praise the Lord. This matter after 3 weeks, so as to be available to Land Council to the Land Council MS T. Wapangla
Tiwapangla.
to obtain instruction. Yes.
Obliged.
Hey, please, the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, 16. Lordship will be filing an aye in the matter.
For what?
Lordship, for amendment of prayer.
What you are asking?
Lordship, adjournment for today.
No. What you have prayed for in this writ petition?
Lordship, sorry.
What you have prayed for in this writ petition?
In the writ petition, Lordship, the petitioner was passed over promotion and his junior was promoted instead. He has been given his promotion, but it should be with effect from the date on which his junior is promoted. So we want to amend that into the prayer right.
On the prayer of MS S. Das,
P. Agarwala.
P. Agarwala, Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr.
S.
S.P.
P.
Roy,
Roy.
Land Council for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned. So as to enable her to file appropriate application for amendment in the writ petition, amendment of the writ petition. This after 4 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I brief, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to, on behalf of AK Council AK Pukashti, I'd like to mention item number 9. So council here is unwell and is unable to prepare for it.
What review? Anyway, on the ground of Mr. A.K. Mukasto, then counsel for the petitioner. Being unwell, Mr. S. Sharma,
CN Bora.
CN Bora, then counsel for the then counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Mukasto. Yes, for adjournment of the matter. Mr. Considering the petition, Mr. A.K. Mukasto, then counsel is unwell. Let this matter be listed after.
What application was it?
Well, two may be taken up.
Yes.
So in this matter, well, actually we came against a stop construction work, my lord. This honorable court allowed us to construct the building, my lord. Now they have filed the inspection report that your lordship will find, my lord, in the affidavit, my lord, filed at page 129, my lord.
So which in the contempt?
Yeah, no, not contempt, my lord.
Item number 2.
Writ petition.
Item 2 may be taken first, my lord. Yes. In this,
1795.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, page 129, my lord, your lordship. See, they have filed an affidavit,
Page
129.
129.
There, my lord, the annexure, my lord, 135, my lord.
Annexure 2.
3,
Annexure
at page
2.
135.
Annexure 3 is page 136.
136.
Inspection report. Yes.
Yes. Inspection report, my lord, that has been, my lord, inspected on 12/24. Now, next page, my lord, you will also find that report.
Next page is 136. Annexure 3.
Yes. Area of the building, my lord, you will also find following constitutions. So, area of the building has been constructed more than the appropriate which is within compound limit. Front rear setback has been constructed violating the norms of the appropriate which are within compound limit.
Inspection report. Construction of commercial building being constructed by Sri
Yes.
or Srimati.
Srimati Bimla Devi Sayada.
It's written Sri.
Yes.
Page 135. Annexure 2. Inspection report. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Area of the building has been constructed more than the appropriate plan which is within compound limit. Front rear side setback has been constructed violating norms of the appropriate plan which are within compound limit. Front staircase made from up to ground level has been constructed without any approval which is non-compound. Design height of the roof protection, rainwater harvesting at terrace level is constructed violating the approved drawing. The approved single way slope roof has been converted into two-way roof with an increased height of so and so. Well, these two things are there. I pray, my lord, that we shall file a requisition before the, because that has nothing to do, my lord, only for the water harvesting we have done two-way. So we shall file requisition before the municipal board, my lord, let them consider, my lord. We have not challenged it now, if necessary. We shall. This situation can be disposed of, my lord.
Against this.
Against this, my lord. We can file requisition, my lord, to the municipal board.
So we have no objection. They may appraise for the authority.
So
You want to file an representation against the inspection report?
and the inspection report, my lord.
Inspection report.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
The power of compounding is with the municipal.
That's why he said
Okay.
you will file a
Yes.
representation.
This requisition can be disposed of.
Yes. Why two repetitions?
Not
One-
writ petition,
One.
one writ petition, one contempt
One
petition.
matter.
Okay.
In contempt petition, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. I need to obtain instruction from the.
Now we'll close it. Once we close
Yes,
the
yes,
repetition.
Yes.
Right. And Mr. G. Charwala, the senior counsel, assisted by
Mr. K. Sharma.
A. Sharma.
K.
Mr. M.S. K. Sharma.
Yes.
The counsel for the petitioner. In repetition. And also heard me. M.S.
Ardeka.
Ardeka.
For board, lordship, you have municipal board, response number 2 and 3.
Which for one? You just serially. Heard and Goswami for this London State Council for response number 1 and
Ardeka for response
Ardeka
number
for
2 and 3.
and and
MK Sharma for respondent number 4.
response number 5 respondent.
Private respondent.
Okay. Where is the 2-3? The 12-3 to the impugn order?
Yes, my lord. That is at page 29, my lord.
29.
No, I'm sorry. Not that, my lord. No, not that, my lord.
Impugn order.
31. 31. 31, my lord.
By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the communication dated 12/03/2019 issued by the chairman in charge, Jorhat Municipal Board, Jorhat, whereby it is intimated that intimated that although the petitioner has taken permission from Jorhat Municipal Board for construction, but her resident neighbor
Just 1 my lord.
has filed a complaint before the board, and until the complaint is solved, the construction is directed to be stopped. Else, the housing construction law, municipal law, and else an action will be taken against the petitioner. Else action will be taken against the petition under the relevant laws. Mr. It is submitted. We'll not go into the detail, whatever you submit and all.
My lord, this
We'll just
court
say that-
allowed us to
Yes.
continue the.
So we'll not go into details of the
Not necessary.
pleadings, right?
Not necessary.
It is stated at the bar that during the pendency of this writ petition, the authorities, municipal authorities, municipal board, the authorities of the municipal board has caused an inspection.
Yes.
Mr. The inspection report, and accordingly, an inspection report has been submitted, which is quoted here in this page 135. Huh? Whatever 136,
136.
same thing.
Yes. 136. Yeah.
There are two inspection reports.
My lord, that is on 12/3/24 also, my lord, same thing, my lord, they have repeated again.
So we'll take note of this 135 only.
Yes.
Inspection report.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Next. Learned Senior Counsel Mr. G.N. Sahiwala submits that since the authorities, respondent authorities have caused an inspection, thereafter the report has been submitted, the petitioner may be allowed to file a representation before the appropriate authorities, as the authorities are competent to
3 and 4, my lord, they have.
are competent to determine the issue. Next one, the learned counsel for the respondents clearly submits that they would not have any serious objection to such prayer for filing a representation.
May it please your lordship, there are four deviations, two deviation is confoundable and
It's okay,
other
that will be considered, whatever is there.
lordship.
Having considered the submission of learned counsel for the petition, consider and perusal of the inspection report, I deem it appropriate to allow the submission, deem it appropriate to accept the prayer of the learned senior counsel, Mr. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent, the petitioner to file a representation before the respondent number
Suna 2 and 3.
2 and 3. On receipt of, on filing of the such representation, the respondent authorities are directed to respondent authorities, particularly respondent number 2 and 3. Namely, who are they?
Jodh Municipal Board and the chairman.
Municipal Board represented by Chairman. Jorhat Municipal Board represented by its Chairman shall consider and dispose of the representation. That's all.
May it please your
In
lordship.
accordance with the rules.
May it please your lordship. My submission is that lordship, there is two deviation is compoundable, yes, and 2 is not compoundable. Yes, can you, my submission, that may be record lordship. There is no
You have
serious.
caused an inspection and there is a report in accordance with the applicable rules and law.
Yes.
Lordship, as per my instruction,
Applicable
lordship,
acts and
this,
rules. That's all.
as
If
per,
it is not compoundable, you don't compound.
Yes.
no, my
if it's
submission is
compoundable,
that
you
lordship,
compound,
there
that's
is some serious deviation in point number 3 and 4. Some
It's all
serious
right.
deviation is.
That's what I'm saying. If it is not compoundable, you don't compound. Necessary consequential action will follow.
My lord.
Obvious.
In IA, in view of the disposal of the disposition, IA stands closed. Contempt also.
I already closed, my lord.
IA closed.
I already closed.
IA 1780.
That has been already closed.
Yes, so you find it out, but contempt clause. In view of the disposal of the writ petition 1795 of 2019, contempt to stands clause. There's no order. Okay, anyway, you find out, and if it's not closed, you just must, vote.
Much.
My lord, today, sir, person in crime not keeping well, my lord. Evaluation, body ache, my lord. So I could not concentrate on that record, my lord. Any day after vacation, that may take stock.
Because of
Person in,
the weather or something else.
no, my lord, I'm not keeping well.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, weather,
It will be whether because of the weather or something else.
weather.
Because of the weather, there is certain consequences.
Lordship, any day after vacation. Any day.
That may be fixed, my lord.
Why? What is the better?
Well, that is about, my lord, in a nutshell, we have challenged to writing the, my lord, the propriety of the seizure procedure and that means the propriety of the inquiry procedure, my lord.
And my lord,
So they have to produce the record also, my lord.
record is with us and there is appeal provision also. He
But
can
we
file an
submit
appeal
on
before
them,
the
whether
deposition
appeal
commission.
provision is required or not. But today I am not telling you.
You avail the remedy.
Yes, my
No,
lord.
my lord, I
29.
just say about the, because, my lord, whatever they have done regarding, my lord, the inquiry, without submitting anything.
Are you saying the appeal remedy provision it's not efficacious?
Not efficacious in the facts and circumstances of this case. That is why my lord said, my lord, today I am not keep lordship will take up after.
It's a statutory appeal.
Yes, my lord.
How you can say that it's not?
My lord, I'll just satisfy. My lord may fix after vacation.
I'm satisfied.
My lord. Any day, my lord. After
Only your
vacation.
2 words I'm satisfied.
My lord.
After hearing you,
My
these
lord,
2 lines,
after
I'm
vacation.
satisfied.
My lord. Any day, my lord.
If it is a statutory appeal, unless you challenge that provision, you just cannot say that it's not
My lord, the
efficacious.
appeal, my lord, they have not passed any
Under
order.
what
yet.
provision? What is the appeal?
My lord, order 9 of that Assam
That,
Public
my lord, after
Distribution
they have not
Act
cancelled is
1880.
that way. My lord. That is against the cancellation.
He can appeal before
No,
the
no, my
authority, my
lord.
lord. It's
Then
appeal
because-
provision
Your challenge is
against the cancellation.
Cancellation, they have not made any cancellation as yet.
Order is there, my
That is
lord.
there. No, my lord.
Because of my lord stay
No,
order
no.
of this honorable court,
That
my
is
lord, we
our,
could not
my lord,
pass on.
that is our problem.
is there any cancellation?
No,
Cancellation was there, but
No,
but
no,
honorable
no, my
court,
lord. No
honorable,
cancellation.
my lord, order your lordship will find in the affidavit, my lord.
No cancellation.
My lord, page 127.
No cancellation. That is why I said, "Man, make me
You
fix
could
after
not
vacation.
make
Any
it
day,
effect,
lordship.
my lord.
I'll satisfy my
Your
lord.
lordship,
Anyway,
my lord.
since he's not feeling well,
My lord,
and Discord is
that's why, my lord, maybe fix it.
Discord is inclined to dismiss the writ petition.
My lord,
Therefore, we'll grant some time.
maybe fix a date, my lord, so that you can be, my lord. Because there
But
is,
madam, you are not. You cannot be. I mean, sure.
which,
You
my lord?
cannot be that assertive because
My
you
lord.
have not cancelled the.
My lord, we have cancelled it because of this honorable court's order. Let him so, my lord.
Are you bla-
Lordship,
are you-
lordship will find out.
Are you blaming the court?
No, I am not blaming the court. That's why I pray
See,
that.
wrongly, rightly,
No,
there's an order of-
lordship. I am sorry, my lord. My
Wrongly or
prayer is
rightly, madam, listen.
yes,
Wrongly or rightly, there's an order of the court.
yes, my lord.
So you have not cancelled it. You
Can-
did not have an occasion to pass a cancellation order.
Cancellation order
So
is
there's no problem. There cannot be. you cannot
cancellation
say-
order is
Yes.
there, lordship, page 131,
Ah.
the last paragraph. In the light of the aforementioned facts and circumstances, the undersigned is of the view that the PFS license and such under Lakhimpur GPSS, which is owned by Rakesh Singh, may be cancelled if authority places. So may be cancelled. Already we have taken this, but that since he approached the honorable court and honorable court has passed the interim order, so that's why we did not pass the final order. But cancellation, he has approached against this, my lord.
No.
So my submission is that if that may be fixed, my lord.
You are you have you are against the suspension.
My lord, we have challenged the very propriety of the seizure, my lord. What happened in this case in a nation? They made a seizure of the in violation of the rules, my lord. First, one writ petition is involved with that issue. Then, my lord, they proceed with the suspension. Then they initiate the inquiry. In the inquiry proceeding, I'll show the my lord, no natural justice, nothing has been, my lord, complied with lordship. Therefore, we approach the court has the arrested person arrested order. That is, I'll make a lordship may fix after vacation.
On the Mr. Vijay Ghosh,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he's not keeping well.
My lord.
Therefore, he prays for listing of the matter. He is prays for adjournment of the matter to further for further 3 weeks.
Lordship.
MS
You does, my lord.
You does.
Additional senior government advocate.
and additional senior government advocate vehemently submits that this writ petition is not available in view of the availability of the alternative, not only alternative but efficacious remedy. Therefore, the writ petition is maintaining, is not maintaining. Mr. Having considered that considering that the submission from the counsel for the learned person, Mr. Vijay Ghosh, that he's not in a perfect health today. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. The issue raised by the additional senior government advocate shall be considered on the next date.
My lord. Let me oblige, my lord. Oblige.
Just after 3 weeks.
Lordship, this matter may kindly be passed over for a time being, Lordship.
What is the matter, sir?
That
Can it be
matter,
disposed of?
Yes,
Can it be disposed of today?
your lordship heard the matter at some length
Yes.
about he's claiming compensation.
Compensation.
The committee pursuant to judgment passed by some court has fixed the rent, and rent was fixed. Then after they came and during the pendency of this writ appeal, my lord, the Karbi Angalang authority, autonomous council, has filed an affidavit saying that admittedly the land, the entire land originally belonged to one Woodcraft Limited. And they just made a statement pursuant to an agreement we have purchased. Your Lordship knows there has to be sale deed. So now they have filed an affidavit saying that this transfer from the original owner to the present petitioner is not complete and it is illegal. In that view of the matter, our
He has
submission.
no right to claim for any compensation.
Yes.
Forget
And-
about even he is not entitled for any rent.
Yes. Original owner, so far as we are concerned, we fix it and we'll pay that. But question is, my lord, today we pay to this petitioner, tomorrow the original owner comes. So for that, so far as state is concerned, we only want a protection that in future the original owner will not come and claim anything. Or they make original owner also a party and both of them take the money. So far as we are concerned, we have fixed the amount, we'll pay it. This issue is there that will also be
So
taken.
there is no sale deed.
There is no sale deed.
There is no authorization also.
No.
It is filed by.
This is filed by Bijari Veneer. They say we have purchased pursuant to an agreement for sale. An agreement for sale, your lordship is well aware, it's not a sale agreement.
But of late, 2 days before,
My lord.
I didn't go into that. But then I decided something differently. Of course, I had not gone deep into that.
My lord.
Whether the agreement to sell.
Yes.
So that's sale deed.
Yes.
Registered sale deed.
Right.
In converted right in title. But I have avoided the nitty-gritty. The
True, my lord.
But then I have gone into somewhere else.
My lord.
But I had the occasion to go. Dealt with that.
My only submission will be,
yes.
So far as payment is concerned, we have got the liability, we fix the amount we want to pay. It is they who filed the requisition, they want further compensation.
No, this is basically for
Enhancement.
compensation.
Now, my submission on behalf of the state is like this, my lord. Since now a dispute has been raised by the authority, autonomous council, that there is no valid transfer, your lordship will have to kindly protect the state that once the money is paid, whatever rent is fixed by the committee, money is paid, that so the original owner doesn't come and say that we.
But then you are paying him.
We will pay.
No. Are you paying rent? Whatever the rate you have.
I think there is some interim order, something like that, madam.
Rent they are paying, but it's very less.
No, that I know, but then.
This was actually a
No,
fit
the state also paying him, paying the petitioner without demur.
If the state is paying to the petitioner, then this question will not come. If they are, I'll have to find out.
Can you find out?
That will be taken up at two.
Today it will not be. It will be difficult, madam, because it's in Karbi Anglong. Who will be the exact person to give us it?
Because reason is very simple. Your objection,
Right.
if you are paying the petitioner without demur,
then of course
you cannot raise the issue.
I'll find out now. Lord,
Because nobody is stopping that to pass an appropriate order saying that the land is with somebody else.
Yes.
The petitioner is not entitled, whatever agreement they have, unless it is legally transferred and
Yes.
transferred a title to them.
Absolutely.
That if you have not done that,
And if the state is paying rent to the petitioner,
yes,
then this objection will not hold good.
yes.
And I'll find out today. 12.
Okay, remember that case.
My lord?
We have heard, for a considerable period, time. We have heard the matter for a
Yes,
considerable time.
that's what I'm saying. Your lordship has heard the matter.
So what is to? It's a pardon also.
It's a partner, lordship. Aji. No information.
No, in that case, we'll keep it pardon.
Lordship may
We
keep
have
it
spent considerable time.
Ah.
So
Lordship
after
may.
vacation,
Lordship.
let the senior counsel to obtain instruction
Lordship.
as to whether the rent fixed by them are being paid to the petitioner.
Lordship may keep
Will
it
it
on.
be all right?
Yes, ma'am.
After 17.
Yes. Then my lordship may kindly fix it on 23rd May. Is a hearing day also. January.
Heard Mr.
23rd.
A. Ahmed. A. Ahmed on behalf of Mr.
Oh,
Arun
sorry.
Said.
A.
Ahmed.
Ahmed and Council appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Hussain, then counsel to the petitioner.
Next year. Huh? Okay.
When the matter is taken up for further hearing today, come on.
Hmm? No,
It is
23rd today, no. 23rd January. It is final meeting.
notice that the extent of the respondents,
This was nice.
you see, it is noticed that the state respondents have taken a stand that the land
Change course 23rd.
claimed by the petitioner in this matter is legally not been transferred to the petitioner. As the basis of claim of the petitioner is only an agreement to sell without there being any registered sale deed. Considering that the petitioner, if the petitioner is not the absolute owner of the petition, of the land,
It was good. 2030 current.
no right may be conferred accrued to the petitioner to claim for to raise any grievance for payment of compensation.
Rent, Lordship may gives slash rent because ultimately it's fixed rent.
Rent of compensation oblique rent.
Matt.
Having confronted with such situation, confronted with the above such situation, Mr. D. Mazumdar, the senior counsel, London additional advocate general for the state, submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction as to whether the rent is being paid to the petitioner. Considering the above, let the matter be listed after on
23rd May.
on 23rd,
Say hearing date.
01/2024, as per her.
Lordship, I'll only pray. It will be convenient for me to obtain this instruction. The rent as determined by the committee on 15/11/2014, so that they can refer to this document.
Rent as determined by the committee
On 15/11/2014.
Understood?
Lords may
On the rent as determined by the committee on so and so is being paid to the
currently. Your Lordship may also mention rent of rupees 15,893 becomes very specific. 15,893. Whether it is being currently paid or not. I'll obtain that instruction.
Deeply obliged.
Got it. Deeply obliged.
Matter passing for time being lordship. For the time being lordship.
কি হলো বল কি করে দিয়া সেট হইছে কি করলো টাইমিং হলো না
Time being lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This matter may kindly pass over for the time being. My senior lags in court number 1.
What to do? In all the cases cannot be passed over for the time being.
My lord, he is
What
in
is the matter?
This virtually, well, this is infractious because relief prayed for was already granted by the.
Then,
time. My lord.
then, if the relief prayed for is granted already,
He
What
wanted,
else
my
you
lord, my lord, the promotion should begin by opening the seal cover. It was opened and given him the promotion benefit from the retrospective date,
from the date when
from the date when junior was promoted.
nothing remains. We'll record and this, close it.
Let
Who's your
my senior
senior?
come. my
Who is
lord.
your senior?
A. Dasgupta.
Let us see the prayer.
Prayer, Lordship. Prayer, my lord, at page 10.
Page 10. There is no prayer in page 10.
Page 10 and 11 minutes, I find, after paragraph 23.
What is this?
3566.
Not page 10, para 10. Page 4.
Lordship is saying the 3566. read
This is
petition.
what? Aye.
No, read petition.
Page 10.
Yes, page 10.
What is this impugn order?
My lord,
Impugn communication?
your lordship take up the affidavit filed by us at page, the order is annexed by us. My lord, it will-
It's page 50 also. Before the community.
Yes.
And Malaya mentioned.
Page 63, madam.
To the post of in this it is stated the promotion of similar to the post of was first and considered by total business strategy for
Page 63 is the order, my lord, passed by us, giving him all the benefits.
Page 63.
Yes.
In the writ petition.
No, my lord, the order of the record, my lord. Affidavit filed by us on 12/9, and the serial number is page 63.
Where it is? Affidavit.
Yes. There are two affidavits. The affidavit filed by us on 12/9. Serial number is there, my lord.
12/9. 12/9.
Yes, lordship. Page 63.
This page number of the lawyer and
Order dated 16/4/2018.
12 September.
Yes, no, my lord, order dated 16/4/2018.
Where it is?
Page number 63, serially, my lord, of the record.
The provision order so is here promoted the post of executive director on regular basis against the
2010.
2010.
Lordship.
Officer assigned the work of sciences. Promotion will take effect from the day he assumed charge of the post. Issued report for the chief of the place of the police. The officer is due reporting at the new place of the
and page 64 is the benefits.
Promotion will be what? Final order in the writ petition pending in the court. Date of joining officer ID shall be intimated.
And page 64, my lord, next page, is the order granting him the pay
Considered
benefit.
upon his promotion is read when he already. With effect from 2018.
No, my lord, the notional fixation of pay is given from 2010 and 2018 is the promotion order. So on 2018, his pay would be 65,003.
But page 653, 63 says with effect from the date he assumed charge of the post.
Yes, the pay benefit is from 1/1 to the, no, that is the, my lord, pay benefit would be given from that day because he cannot get the arrears because under the rules. And there are definitely, his pay will be notionally fixed because he was involved in a trap case by the CBI. There was a criminal case pending against him.
So what is 2303/2017 is what?
My lord,
What is page 50?
page 50.
Impugn order.
Impugn order is, my lord, a communication, internal communication he has challenged by which page 50 is because he made a representation before the government of India, and it is an intimation about the status of the case to the government of India. He has challenged that. Because his case was kept under seal cover. His basic grievance is promotion, it is granted. The prayer is only to grant him promotion, it isn't granted, nothing else.
Are you sure he has been granted with effect from 15/12/2010?
The order itself, penal year 2010. Penal year, the order says penal year because in which the order, my lord will kindly see.
The petitioner is not entitled for promotion as per extant instruction issued by Government of India regulation.
No, that was the impugn order. The order says, the order of promotion, hereby promoted to the post is on regular basis against the penal year 2010. And my lord will see the page 64. From 2010, his pay is fixed as an executive director.
When you pass an appropriate orders clarifying that, it doesn't indicate clearly whether his promotion will be effect from 2010.
Yes, it says in our affidavit also we have said.
Let's see.
That's it.
Page your affidavit.
Paragraph 6, my lord will kindly see. Page 61. Page 61. Page 61. That paragraph 6. That during the pendency of the forced writ petition, the petitioner has filed 2 interlocutory applications. Lordship got it. In IA number so and so, filed on auto, and IA number so and so. By the first interlocutory application, the forced writ, The applicant petitioner has made a prayer for a direction to the respondents to open the seal cupboard of the DPC held on so and so, and the second interlocutory application, the applicant petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authority to grant of financial benefits, fixation of pay from the date of his appointment as executive director from 5/3/2010, as he was appointed against the penal year 2010, and from the date when his junior was promoted to the post of executive director. While the prayer made in the IA number so and so for opening the seal cupboard proceeding stands granted by promoting him against the penal year 2010, the benefit sought for by the terms thereof also stands granted by the competent authority, as it will be evident from the order dated 16/4/2018, whereby and whereunder the petitioner was promoted to the post of so and so on the regular basis. That the second interlocutory application and IA number so and so, the petitioner has made a prayer for the direction to the respondent to grant financial benefits. For the relief, the petitioner has also made a representation so and so before the appointing authority, CMD, for expeditious decision of para 3 of the OM so and so. It is submitted that in terms of para 3 of the said OM, the case, the government servant is completely exonerated due to due date of his promotion will be determined with reference to the position assigned to him in the findings kept in the seal cover, and with reference to the date of promotion of his next junior, and the government servant may be promoted notionally with reference to the date of promotion of his junior. It is submitted that the said representation has been disposed of by order dated so and so, observing that as per extant instruction, the case notional promotion of the petitioner is entitled to notional fixation of pay. The monetary benefit shall, however, be given from the actual date from which the employee has joined the higher post in terms of the aforesaid principal by office order dated so and so. The pay in respect to the petitioner has been fixed notional basis from 24/2/2010. That is from the date of DPC. It is further observed that the promotion of the officer was delayed as the corporation was compelled to adopt seal cover procedure for his involvement in the trap case.
Yes. It's virtually, it's become in process.
Right.
Your promotion has been given, you have been granted promotion on the basis of the panel of 2010. And accordingly, they have fixed the pay also from 2010. Nothing remains.
Yes, but that is his submission yet. Actually, when this DPC was held, at that point of time, a criminal case was pending, and a departmental inquiry was also going on. For that reason, the promotion kept under seal cover. And I was exonerated subsequently because of his acquittal, and the departmental proceeding which was initiated against me was dropped, and I was totally exonerated. Then, Miller, they have given my promotion. Only question is that from what date this promotion will be effective. That is the only question left. What is the second case?
It's okay. Tell us.
Second case, when the seal cover is open, and if it is found that the delinquent has not been inflicted any punishment, then the seal cover, then he will be given the full benefits. Now, in this question, a question was cropped up. You have not worked, no work for no pay. So that question was also answered by the Supreme Court. No, it is not his fault that he has not worked. It is due to the fault of the department, or not the fault, due to the department he could not work. And for that reason, he is entitled to have the full benefits from the date when his junior was promoted. And accordingly, I have also filed an application in this behalf for a direction in this regard. That is the only remaining thing.
What? I didn't get it. Last submission.
Oh, I have also filed an application in this regard, Milord. That application is IA number 17.
No, it's okay. Why you cannot keep filing on all these applications one after another? What is your basis? You said you are challenging the communication where your representation for consideration promotion has been rejected because you were at that point of time you are under some business cases or under some cases. Therefore, your promotion, it's not it's put to seal cover.
Yes.
Then
And
you
after-
file an IA for opening of the seal cover. Accordingly, they have opened it and you have promoted on the panel of 2010. Of course, it doesn't clarify, but according to them, since he has been given the promotion has been already effected and pay has been fixed since 2010, revised pay. There's nothing remains.
There is something remains, Lord, because of the fact that when this promotion was given from the panel of 2010.
Yes.
And
And
these panels
accordingly,
should
your
be
pay, benefit of pay has been refixed. Fixed from
the
2010.
benefits are fixed notionally,
Yes.
but the due payment should have been given to me.
What due payment?
The one from 2000 when my junior was promoted,
What sort of due payment?
as if I was in service in a promotional post. Your Lordship may kindly
No,
give-
are you challenging this page, the annexes which they have, the promotion and the fixation of pay?
Yes, Lord.
You are not challenging it. Read your prayer. Page 10. Page 10, you read your prayer.
I have filed an application for amendment.
Huh?
I have filed a business application, Lord, for that purpose.
Where it is?
Yes, 1787.
One second.
No, this is not amendment petition. Anyway, for
I have stated all these
Disposing
facts.
of the matter with the direction responsible to confer all financial and service benefits to the applicant which is permitted against them. No, in that you cannot file like this. First, you have to amend the writ petition. Number one. I don't have to tell you, sir.
But actually, in fact, it should be
The
considered-
relief you have sought for. The writ petition, including IA, 2 IAs, it's all granted. If you have any other thing, liberty will be granted, liberty to file a fresh petition. Is not it?
Yes.
We have seen it that you have been, your pay has been fixed
Yes.
with effect from
Actually,
2010.
this application should have
And
been
your
considered as an
promotion is
amendment
on the
petition.
basis of panel of 2010. There may be certain
Right.
issues which may
There may
raise
be- may have
regarding some financial benefits.
There
That
might
is not
have
a
some-
part of the pleadings. This is not the issue which is to be discussed here.
So it should have been considered as an amendment petition.
It's not it's not an amendment petition.
No, I won't be filed.
We'll close it and you will give you liberty to file an approach if anything is there.
No, Lord, I may be allowed to play the amendment petition
No.
formally.
We'll close the writ petition and we'll give with the liberty to file an afresh if so advised. Liberty will be given. It's better.
Yes, liberty will be given for this purpose. Lord.
They will say, simply will say liberty. Heard Mr. A. Dasgupta, learned senior counsel, assisted by MS Vidas, and also heard Mr. P.K. Roy, learned senior counsel, assisted by HOB for all the respondents.
1 to 4.
Sir, are you still
Actually, we are
not happy?
Your Lordship
Because
may
this,
kindly grant some time.
this application which you have shown is for
Which should-
certain
which should have been
direction
considered as an amendment
which is
petition.
not it's not an amendment.
That is not an amendment. It is prayer is not so made. There might have some technical
No,
difficulties.
then you file a fresh petition. We'll consider. Whether
Yes,
you are
that-
entitled or you are relying
Yes,
on the
yes.
judgment.
Let me give you some time to frustrate.
No, no. We'll close this unnecessary. It's of 2000. What is the item?
Item 2.
Yes. We'll close it and we'll give you a liberty. So that will be the best, course of action.
As you are such a impede, or you also may give
Ah.
some time. So that
after,
1 month time, so that
after,
at
no,
least.
after hearing the learned counsel for the learned senior counsel for the parties, it is, and on perusal of the records, it is noticed that the prayer sought for in the main writ petition as well as the introductory application subsequently filed by the petitioners has been redressed. Therefore, the writ petition is become infructuous. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed as infructuous. However, the petitioner may file however, liberty is granted to the petitioner to file fresh petition
For claim.
a
Prayer
fresh petition
petition.
if so advised.
Let me kindly indicate this thing here.
What?
That is stated in the IGN number 1787.
No, however, liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach this court if any grievance still to be raised other than the grievance raised in the present proceedings.
So your Lordship may kindly perish this, kindly make some observation. There is a mistake on my part.
That's why I said made an observation. Any
Actually,
other
what
grievance,
happened?
any
It should have been
grievance other
considered-
than the grievance raised in the writ petition, present writ petition, it's more than enough. If I mention particularly, you may not able to add all those which may would like to add while filing the fresh petition.
All Lordship may kindly
I
make an
said, sir, with the liberty to file a fresh petition on the if the petitioner has any grievance other than the grievance raised in the present petition. That's all.
To
Any
have the-
other grievance, or we'll say if the petitioner has any other grievances.
we filed an application under 1787.
All will be closed in view of the disclosure. I think it's better to come up with a fresh grievance.
Yes. All Lordship may allow us some time to amend this application. Only one thing. 1 month time will be required. Otherwise, it will take 5 years time.
Well, these are all unnecessary. Why should trouble harass these papers, voluminous papers?
What's better? Lordship, deep leverage.
Sir, file a fresh petition.
I have to file it, but I could have avoided this thing, Lord.
Please. You don't have to do let the junior have this. let the juniors have their cake or two.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, an order of reversion was put under challenge, my lord. They were assistant engineers.
Yes, who is appearing?
Now, my lord, there is one difficulty on my part. What happened, my lord? This honorable court was pleased to pass an interim order, staying the my lord reversal. They continued. In the meantime, my lord, they have become eligible for the next promotion.
Yes. So you have been
Some of them have been promoted. some of them, I think, my lord, still, because my lord, this matter came all on a sudden, and my lord, only one instruction I could get out of this, my lord, 12 petitioners, and that is also will be reflected from an order passed in the IA.
Where is the IA?
IA 769 of 2019, because the my lord authorities, the government my lord filed an application for modification of this order on 5/3/2019. My lord, an order was passed, and the interim order was not vacated, and it was reflected that my lord, they have in the meantime, my lord, been promoted. So therefore, my lord, may take a short time for instructions, my lord, what is happening to the other petitioners. One petitioner I have got the promotion order. Others, my lord, I have not been able to contact, my lord, overnight.
PWD department, no? PWD department.
PWD.
Sir, here नाम तो show का study council असं है. Well, better relates to the PWD departments. There is a study council, so their name is their study council name is not shown. Matter may be adjourned today, so showing their name because they are not appearing. I am not appearing on behalf of the PWD department.
PWD department is a department of state of Telangana.
No, it's a government, state of Assam.
Right.
There is study council,
You are for.
I am for
additional senior government.
Yes, I am for pastoral department and other department, but PWD department I am not representing. There is this.
That's why I'm asking. That's why I'm asking.
No, Lordship.
Is it a department of government of Telangana or Gujarat?
See, not Telangana or Gujarat, is Assam. But the standing council, since standing council is there, my lord, he is representing, and I have not, in my file, I have not seen any affidavit or whatever may be.
No affidavit has been filed.
I think. I inform
This
them.
code is all along, every day requesting the state councils.
Because,
to
my lord,
work in coordination.
no, we are
Work
sitting
in
here.
coordination. Just don't make mention like that because as if you are in a different universe.
Government advocates are always sitting, my lord, right from 10:30.
No, that's what I'm saying, sir.
Standing
I have
council.
been requesting all along that you work in coordination.
But the standing council sometimes come, sometimes not come, my lord.
So that's the reason I'm saying you work in coordination. We are here for
Only one thing, my lord, the standing council.
Sir,
name
all
of-
of us are here for the litigants.
Perhaps,
Right.
my lord, their name is not shown in the constitution. That's why they have
These
missed
are all technical.
technical.
It's not an isolated case. Even if it is shown,
I will
even
inform
if the brief is entrusted, we understand if he is busy in some other courts and all.
I will no, my lord, I will
So
inform
why not,
for a typing, my lord, I will
in fact,
inform.
Yes, I understand that I'm not happy. This court is not happy. Every day these things has to be. I mean,
Yes, my lord. It's difficult for us also, my lord.
every day this court has to comment on this. Make a, all these unnecessary things. I mean, put your pressure. It is a reason for putting your more having pressure. Put your pressure high. Unnecessary.
Unnecessary.
Instead of having a high pressure to understand, to determine the matter, these small things.
Right, he will come in, my lord.
The government lawyers will be responsible.
Ultimately,
For all of us.
ultimately, all blame to the government advocate, my lord. But we are since 10:30, we are always sitting.
My lord, he is also only sitting, my lord, there is no communication with
No,
the authorities.
no, standing council is there. That's why I am pointing out. Otherwise, he always say me to do it. I will do it.
Sir, I am not this court is particularly not oblivious to that. I had an occasion to be with
Yes.
the government for so many years.
Anyhow, my lord, he is coming, I think, my lord. Now,
Or my lord, can it
That's
be
why I'm trying to, share my experience as a government.
yes, yes. He goes.
Anyway,
if your
since
lordship
he's
can
also-
see some time, my
since the
lord,
senior council is also asking for some time.
because my lord, I do not have the complete
You inform,
instruction. Complete instruction, my lord.
My lord,
Mr. N.K. Chaudhary, the senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that in view, this is of 2019.
2018 matter.
In view of the
Old matter.
they submits that
I want to
during the pendency of present writ petition, certain developments have arisen. Therefore, he prays for some time to obtain instruction. Mr. T.C. Sutia, learned Edison Senior Government Advocate. Also prayed for, prayed for some time to inform the London Standing Council who represent the Standing Council for PWD.
But the registry may be directed to
Necessary instruction.
show the name of the SC.
The prayer of the Land Council, prayers of the Land Council are granted. Mr. Next, on the next step, parties to place the updated position of the matter. Next step, registry to reflect the name of the Standing Council, London Standing Council, PWD. PWD.
Yes, sir.
Just after 4 weeks.
Kindly oblige.
Oblige.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, my senior lake, another court, Lordship, after vacation,
On the prayer of MS
J. Akhtar.
J.
Akhtar.
After the council appearing on the prayer appearing on behalf of Mr.
M. Khan.
M. Khan, then council petitioner on the ground that the learned council Mr. M. Khan is underlect in some other court. So let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Oblige.
Well, already matter was already disposed of in earlier round of
Lordship.
this case was disposed of, my lord. But what has happened, my lord, actually, my lord, respondent, my lord, filed affidavit, my lord, in opposition there in that case. 13 days they did not appear. Their names shown there in the cause list. But this honorable court, my lord, allowed my writ petition, my lord. Subsequently, they filed review petition saying that they have not information regarding the case, my lord. Review petition was also dismissed, my lord. Thereafter, they filed writ appeal. Writ appeal, my lord, it was allowed. One opportunity can be given if it is deprived of. Thereafter, and cost was also given 5,000 there. By directing him, as he has given the assurance there that it has to be disposed of, and then he will appear. Now it is more than 2 years, my lord. Going to be 2 years now after the disposal of the writ appeal before this honorable court, my lord.
Yes.
Again, this matter has been come before your lordship, my lord.
Yes.
Well, advertisement, only one post was there in that particular center, my lord, Anganwadi center area. There was no clause for restriction regarding, my lord, reservation. Subsequently, they have selected, my lord, the private respondent instead of me. And their resolution shows that, my lord, they have adopted that resolution, though I am eligible person as per the advertisement, as it is a reserved category area. That's why she can be accommodated there. That was the ground. And that rule of grant or sense, that's why, my lord, this honorable court, it is disposed of, my lord, 15, my lord, 12 to 22. It was disposed of in my my lord Justice Michael Joseph Kumar. Their judgment is also there, my lord, saying that there is a violation of the clause 2.2. It has to be specifically mentioned in the advertisement itself that the particular post is belongs to that reserved category area. But that has not been mentioned. That's why my petition was allowed. But
Lordship, my senior health condition is not well, so it's not able to appear at this court.
Who is working?
she is working now. That's why, my lord.
She.
Yes.
What is the order of the divisional bench? Basically, there has been remanded back.
Yes, my lord. Remand back only.
I mean,
Saying that one of question is to be given, and they have issued in last paragraph.
Remanded and restored.
Saying that, my lord, the Learned Council appellant has issued this court that the appellant shall be duly represented before this learned single judge and shall also cooperate the expeditious disposal of the writ petition. However, facts of the case, appellant is saddled with cost of rupees 5,000 to be paid to the sunset. This was not in meeting.
Rina Das. She was a party.
Yes, party, my lord, and filed affidavit opposition also. And surprisingly, my lord, I have seen here, my lord,
You have deposited the cost.
I'm respondent number 6. Private respondent number 6. And they have. I'm not aware about this matter, Lordship.
If you are not aware about the matter,
My senior, as per my senior instruction, I appear this. As per senior instruction, I appear for time.
have you not been?
Fixed any other.
Your senior has not allowed you to touch the brief.
Lordship suddenly asked me to appear that because
Who is your senior?
M.H. Ahmed is suffering from cold and fever. I'm not appeared that.
Earlier also he was there. That's
Same cold.
yes, my lord. That is the 2021 file affidavit opposition and shown here, my lord, in the record I have seen. Okalat number file 2023. How can it be, my lord? Earlier Okalat number has been, my lord, somewhere placed, my lord. I don't know. No. Okalat number.
What is to be done?
In another date, my lord. For ends of justice, my lord.
Hi, Mr. Your name, please.
H. Das, my lord.
Is that the council for the
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after tomorrow, Sunday, we are not there. You will have
Saturday,
to
Saturday. Oh, Saturday.
Saturday, you will have to come to Bangalore.
He will have lots of
Little bit.
Mr. What is your name?
Ullah, on behalf of M.H.
Ullah. Learned Council for the Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr.
M.H. Ahmed.
M.H. Ahmed, Learned Council for the respondent number 6.
I
Submits
am
that his senior, Mr. M.H. Ahmed, is having
Respondent number 6.
is having cold and fever. Cold and fever. For which he phrased that the matter may be listed. The matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
No, it's a little bit on 17, my lord.
17.
17.
Adjourned for 2 days. 3 days. Mr. T.C. Suchi, London, senior, additional senior government advocate is for the state is present. Having considered that the council for the petition, respondent number 6 is having is not keeping what. Let this and is agreed to well and council to the party. Let this matter be listed on
17th December.
All right.
Yes.
The state council were directed to make instructions. The aspect of whether there is any scheme. What has happened is that there was an incident of police firing 7 years back in Tezpur, Malad. And admittedly, Malad, the petitioner suffered a bullet injury to his spine. And Malad, after the pleadings and everything has been exchanged, it transpires that he was an innocent bystander, Malad. In fact, there was a separate motor accident and some violent incidents. There has been a charge sheet filed by the police. It is not disputed now between the parties that the petitioner has been cited as a witness. So he is not an accused, he is a witness, and they were directed to take
yes, any scheme?
Yes.
Is he entitled?
Lordship, may peruse clause number 7.3 and 8.3, Lordship. Next, please. 7.3 and 8.3. Due to the firing
of security persons, if he injured,
if the injured person is innocent. And 8.3 is due to the firing of security forces if the permanently injured person is innocent.
You are injured?
Yes, injured, and Malod, I have also filed the additional affidavit, Malod, showing the disability certificate. I have suffered. Sorry.
Firing by the
yes,
police.
Police. And the disability certificate I have annexed, my lord, that is at page 103. And there is a 40% disability which is certified by the
Become
medical.
permanently invalid. Are you permanently invalid?
Yes, I have filed the disability certificate.
Financial injuries, grievous injury or permanently invalid?
Yes.
What is it? What it is?
That is at page 103. The additional affidavit which I have filed.
And affidavit of receipt. 103.
103. Annexure P. There is a flag C, I believe.
Jakiruddin Ahmed.
Yes.
So and so, may and so. What is this?
Look, this is a certificate issued by the District Medical Board, that is of Sonitpur Tesku, and
locomotor. What is
locomotor
the
disability. Yes, post-traumatic weakness of the lower limbs, and 40% disability.
40% is permanent disability.
Permanent.
Is it?
To give a direction to the district
Verify.
commissioner.
For
For
verification.
verification, Lordship.
Verify.
Then let it be kept
So
pending.
that
Manoj.
certificate-
Let it be kept pending. Why to dispose it of? I'm ready to submit myself to any.
No.
From the
You are
pleadings-
claiming for compensation.
Yes, under public law.
That from the
There is a scheme
Yes.
under the law by the state. They are admitting that you are entitled.
Yes. And
So
from
we
the
don't know.
pleadings-
We'll ask them to verify and
Yes.
if the
Then a time
claim
yes.
found genuine.
Yes.
Let him file, let him-
shall be paid.
May I submit, Lordship?
Look, two aspects of the matter only.
What do we call it? What do you call it? Well, it's not compensation. It's an
This is the ex gratia notification.
ex gratia.
It is a public law remedy, Manoj.
Because from the
Express,
pleadings, it transpires that they have not filed any representation claiming the compensation. So let them file a representation along with this copy of this honorable court's order before the authority. They will accordingly verify, and if he is found suitable, he will
If
be.
I may say, 7 years have passed. Another representation, Lordship will issue a
No,
direction.
no,
Manoj.
here,
Where
Lordship,
is your-
here,
where is
Lordship,
your- where is your
here, no.
representation? You have to apply for that.
Yes.
No, look, when I came to the court,
See, your claim is for compensation.
Gotcha.
But this court has directed the state council to find out whether it's a scheme or not.
yes,
We have find out, we
Yes.
have.
Ex
we have
gratia. So there's an ex gratia scheme.
let them give a copy, Manoj, because I do not have any such copy. Then there is nothing on
No,
record.
it's that kind of, it's a discretionary also. See, your claim is only that there's a firing with the bullet has hit you.
Yes.
Now charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet has
You have
filed.
been, you are not the accused.
No, I am a witness, Manoj, of the
Witness.
incident. Yes.
Therefore, this could be accidental also.
So it could
Suppose
be.
if there is a negligence or if there is a negligence or whatever
Manoj.
by the authority,
Yes.
then the compensation comes.
Yes.
If it is accidental,
Lordship.
then the ex gratia will be there. That's all.
Yes, Manoj.
So it's your claim is not assessed for. I mean, we are not granting you a compensation by invoking the public law remedy.
Plus, by my prayer is for public law remedy
No,
compensation.
it cannot be. Then we will dismiss on its own.
That your lordship may do, Manoj. I cannot. But the fact of the matter is, Manoj, 2017. Now they are saying I should apply under the scheme.
What does it mean? See, you are entitled under the scheme only.
I am also entitled in civil law, which is a separate remedy, Manoj.
Yes.
Why I have come, Manoj, is that I was injured.
So
Manoj.
why not convince, sir? Listen to me.
Lordship.
Why not convince that it appears to be an accidental? Suppose
Maybe,
if you are
Manoj.
not an
Maybe, Manoj,
accused,
but it is an accident.
even if you are an accused,
I'm not
All
an
right.
accused, Manoj. That is there.
even if you are an accused,
Yes.
we can consider for directing compensation
Yes.
for payment of compensation. Even you are accused
Lordship.
by invoking the public law remedy
Lordship.
under public law remedy, right?
Lordship.
It's not just that you are not an accuser.
No.
It could be an accidental. We don't know. But then
that there has to be a factor.
that,
in
how
inquiry.
will we'll find out?
No,
How
that-
we'll find out?
That is my prayer, Manoj, in the repetition itself. My first prayer is for an inquiry as to what happened. How was I injured, Manoj? If it is a case of negligence.
Have you filed anything?
Yes, I have filed this petition, Manoj. The first prayer is for an inquiry, Manoj.
Not this one. Have you filed any complaint or FIR against the police?
Yes, I went to my relatives went to the police station, my lord, to lodge an FIR.
Where it
A
is?
separate FIR.
Where it is?
I have said so in the petition, my lord. But they
You are
refused to-
saying will not do. Show us the
they refused,
FIR.
they refused to entertain, and my lord, I
See,
personally was
Mr. Ganguly,
lordship.
it's very easy to say.
Look,
We'll have
if your
to
lordship will kindly,
substantiate it.
yes, if your lordship will kindly help me, it's one thing. My lord, I have described the entire series of events, my lord, that what has happened.
So are you insisting or the merit of the petition should be, I mean,
Well, my prayer is very limited. My lord.
see,
What
last
I'm saying
occasion this court, after
Lordship.
hearing you,
Lordship.
hearing the parties, has directed the state council to obtain instruction as regards any scheme.
Lordship.
And they are producing it. So accordingly, we find that I find that you are entitled under the scheme.
Yeah, no,
Right.
no
Ex
difficulty,
gratia.
my lord. Yes.
So why to go for unnecessary? Because reason is very simple. If we go also, I mean, go into the merit of your claim.
Lordship.
Not necessarily that even if you claim, will grant you relief.
Look, if I'm eligible,
It
under the
doesn't
scheme,
ensure.
they may
We'll
examine.
decide after hearing
Yes.
on the merit.
They may examine my claim, my lord, within a time frame. That is all I am saying. Because my lord,
But that's
already
what-
7.5 years.
No,
have
no.
passed.
It appears that you are trying to, I mean, school this court that
No,
this court has the power under public law remedy. It's an. I think, mind you, these are all elementary things.
No, that is there.
You don't make a submission like this.
No,
before
that
this
is
court.
there. My lord.
All right.
The fact remains that
The elementary is elementary.
yes, my lord, that may. But my lord, the fact
How
remains
long
that
you
I
have been in the practice, sir?
My lord, it's 19 years.
I'm 25 years.
So I bow
More
down
than
to your
25,
lordship
26
knowledge. I'm
years.
not saying about that. What I'm
So,
saying is that my lord,
We are
time frame.
contemporary. So let us not try to school each other
No, no, my lord. I
on the elementary law.
if I have made a wrong submission, my lord, I sincerely, my lord,
That's why
bow down.
you have to have some patience, sir.
Lord,
There's an order after hearing you by
Yes.
this court.
Yes.
And fairly, they have obtained the instruction. They are placing it and trying to, I mean, deliver it.
There is one aspect of the matter, my lord.
Having a deliberation
in the-
with you, saying that though your prayer is this,
Yes.
but then these are the scheme. There is
Yes.
a scheme. You are appears to be you entitled for it.
Yes.
On that, we'll dispose of the matter.
Yes. There is one
And they
aspect
are
of the
saying that since there's no application, let the petitioner file. What's the, I mean, big?
No, I'm not on that note. What I'm saying is
What is the big issue in filing a representation?
But I'll do that. What I'm saying is that I'll file the representation within 10 days from today. They may consider it, my lord, and do the needful within a specific
That's
time
all.
frame. Lordship will appreciate that this
That's
is a,
what I'm not happy with
and
you.
the other
Sir,
one,
what I'm not
why you are
happy with
interfering?
you is you appears to have tried to school this court.
I never had any intention. my
Let
lord.
us
If
not
the
have-
lordship has felt that way, I sincerely apologize.
We learn from you. From your
there is nothing.
assistant, right?
No, my lord, in the
The
very,
court requests assistance from the court.
okay, I am ready to offer that assistance always because it
You
is my
should
case
not-
and I have to prove it. my lord. So my lord, what I am saying is that
No, before we go into the merit, let us deliberate what is to be done.
yes, yes, they have
It's not that all the cases you file before the court.
yes.
Everything should be decided or
Yes.
as per your wish. It's not that.
No, no, it is
You
not
place
that.
before
I
us, we
cannot-
consider it.
I cannot insist on that at all. What I am saying is that if they have a scheme, fair enough, I will apply. my lord. I will apply within a week from
That's all.
today.
We are trying to. I mean, that's
Because
what I'm trying to indicate. You are a considerable experience and you are a senior. 19 years is a big year.
Gotcha.
All right.
Gotcha.
Long period. We have struggled, all of us together, to reach up to this level.
Gotcha.
Let us have some patience.
Gotcha.
All right.
Lordship may can then in that case dispose it of. Two
We'll
aspects of the
dispose it
matter.
of.
Two aspects of the matter, if I may.
Yes.
point out. One is that I'll apply within a week from today. They may consider and do the needful within a time frame. That is the first part.
Yeah.
Second part is that this is a scheme. Any civil liability, any civil claim that I have, that liberty Lordship will give me independent of this scheme.
No. That we did not give you a liberty also.
So without that, my suit will become time barred.
Nobody will stop.
No,
The remedy is under the private law.
Yes.
Nobody can stop. Eastern District.
Yes, my lord, because I'll be barred by Article 113 of the Limitation Act, my lord. If I seek a declaration now, more than 3 years, I'll be barred. So Lordship will only give me that liberty because this is an ex
No, we're not
gratia.
going to all this complicated. All right.
No, this is an ex gratia scheme only, my lord.
Yes.
Other than that,
You
my
are
remedies-
entitled under this case, and if you have if you have a remedy under civil law,
yes,
who is stopping you?
No, my lord,
And if
I
you
file a
if you
suit now-
if you have if the limitation is there, you cannot.
My lord, because under my lord, this is an ex gratia scheme. You know, this scheme is ex gratia. It's a no obligation scheme.
No,
So-
either you have to agree that you are agree for the disposal as you are entitled under the ex gratia scheme. All
Yes,
right.
that is there.
Or else if you want that this court should hear you on merit of the petition,
Gotcha.
because you are this petition doesn't talk about ex gratia.
No, it
You are
doesn't,
claiming
because-
compensation
Yes.
under public law remedy.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. In 17, my lord, there was no charge sheet and all. my
So
lord.
hearing
This was
you
not
and
there.
considering the relief the grievance which you have raised,
Gotcha.
last occasion, I mean, the coordinate bench of this court directed them to obtain the instruction.
Yes.
So it doesn't say that. That's why I'm giving you an option.
Or
Either
Lordship
of
may,
which you,
or
two you
Lordship
have
may
to
keep
choose.
it on 23rd January next month.
Why?
For hearing on the merit part, because in 2017 when I filed this petition, my lords, and when they filed the affidavit, there was no reference to any scheme. They did not admit their liability till date, my lords. Till the filing of the
That's
charge
the reason. That's the reason this
Yes.
court has
Yes.
passed an order on 25/09/2020.
Yes, when it was submitted on their part, my lord, that the charge sheet has been filed in which I have been shown as a witness, my lord. It was for the first time that they said, my lord. Otherwise, in their pleadings also, my lord, they have never admitted that I was even injured in the incident.
Heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petition. In terms of the order dated 25/09/2024, passed by this court, the MS G. Hazarika, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department, has placed the copy of the notification dated 15/11/2024.
2014.
2014, sorry, 2014, huh? With regard to the, which provides notification, a state government scheme for providing ex gratia. What is ex gratia? Ex gratia grant interrelate to the persons who become permanently invalid by our financial assistance. Having on the perusal of the scheme is placed by the Standing Council, comma, comma, and the result of the scheme, the above scheme, goes to show that the petitioner goes to show that the persons who has become permanently invalid will be provided financial assistance of rupees 3 lakhs. On consideration, after hearing the learned consent of the parties and consideration of the pleadings, learned consent of the parties and consideration of the grievances raised in this great petition, among the priorities view that the petitioner is entitled to an ex gratia grant under the scheme of under the notification with the 15/11/2014. However, Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be heard on the merit of the writ petition as the claim of the petitioner in this writ proceedings is for payment of compensation under public law. Considering the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner, let this matter be listed on 23rd January 01/2024 as part heard. Part heard. I'll not let you.
No, I am
I'll not let you easily.
I also have to take instruction from
this
the
court will not let you easily escape.
No,
And
no
notification
intention.
may kept in record.
No intention.
Notification.
I'm
Copy
for
of the
response number.
notification, so.
I'm for response number 1, 3, 4, 5.
You record it.
SR Borua for response number 1, 3, 4, 5.
Hearings heard so and so, and then
Yes.
after the heard so and so, then you write all this. Then you the MS so and so and record.